As with most businesses, Rapid Metal Fab started with a need. That need was for faster metal part production, which we have based our business model around. Every day, we strive to deliver quality services and part production quickly. The creation of your manufactured parts begins in engineering, where our engineers do much more than create CAD models. They are capable of giving insight and design changes that help with functionality and production. Our engineers can also model your idea from a fully drawn design, drawing on a paper, or a thought in your head. The creation of these accurately drawn CAD models unlocks the potential of CNC-controlled fabrication tools. Laser cutters are an example of CNC-controlled machines that take advantage of these models. Cutting your metal to shape is also the first step in the sheet metal fabrication process. At Rapid Metal Fab, we utilize 2 fiber lasers along with 1 CO2 laser and router table to ensure we are capable of cutting all the materials your project may require. After cutting, if your parts require bending, our press brakes can handle any task. Turning a flat sheet metal piece into a 3-dimensional one allows for much more complexity. The combination of parts into welded assemblies offers the most intricacy. Our welders have a passion for and are qualified in MIG, TIG, and stick welding. Please enjoy some footage of our capabilities. If you have any questions about our capabilities, please ask one of our representatives.